Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw the letter D. So let's get started. I'm going to draw this letter just like the previous one, like a balloon shape. Now we are going to make the dog, D for dog. We are going to make the shape of dog by the digit 6, but we are drawing the 6 in opposite manner. Now we'll draw two straight lines, simple straight lines. The face, make it a little curve. Now the mouth, and join everything together. Now we'll make the feet. And it's done. Hey everyone, when you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do suggest your favorite cartoon character in the Google form given below. You can also check out the new tips and techniques that we are sharing in Telegram group. You can join that as well. Enjoy the video. Now let's start coloring. When you like the video, please like and share. Thanks for watching.